J.Anjali, BSc MPC first year from Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College from BHONGIR. So I want to explain you today about some shapes and solid structures. So we know most of the shapes and structures in our which we use in our daily life. In that some of these they are cube, cuboid, cylinder shapes, cone, sphere and hemisphere. So they have some particular area formulas and volume formulas. So I want to explain you the formulas of those lateral surface area, total surface area and volume formula. So first of all I want to tell about cube. So this is called cube, which has four sides equal, So the lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square, and it has the total surface area also. So it is 6a square. So to find out this cube's area for a lateral surface area, total surface area, we have to use 4a square for lateral surface area and 6a square for total surface area. And to calculate the whole volume of this cube, we have to use a cube as the formula to find out the volume of a cube. So the next one is cuboid. So it has length, breadth and height. This is called length and it is breadth and it is height. So to calculate these cuboid lateral surface area, we have to use 2h into L into B, L plus B is the formula to calculate the lateral surface area of a cuboid. So the total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. The volume of this cuboid is length into breadth into height. So by calculating length into breadth into height, we can find the volume of this cuboid. Regular circular cylinder, radius and height it didn't has any breadth or length, but it has radius and height. So to calculate the total surface area and lateral surface area, we have some formulas. It is 2 pi RH for the lateral surface area and 2 pi R into R plus H for the total surface area of this cylinder. So we have to use pi R square H as the formula to calculate this volume of the cylinder. And write the circular cone. Pi RL is the lateral surface area of this cone. So cone has length, radius and height. It is the length of the cone and it is the height of the cone and it is the radius of the cone. It also didn't have any type of breadth. So we have to use pi RL is the formula for lateral surface area and pi R into L plus R for the total surface area. And we have to use pi by 3 pi R square H for the total volume for the volume to calculate this cone's value. It is pi R square H. The next one is hemisphere. Even it has radius in horizontal way and in vertical way. So we have to use 2 pi r square for the lateral surface area and 3 pi r square to calculate the total surface area of this hemisphere. The value of this hemisphere is to calculate it by using 2 by 3 pi r cube formula. So by using these whole formulas, we can find out the total surface area and lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is also called as curved surface area. And for the value, we have to use those formulas to calculate their volumes and areas.